Hello, and welcome to the first in a set of tutorials made by the Guyman Public Library staff to help those of you, the customers, use our tools that we use to find the books that you want. In this tutorial, we'll be examining the website FantasicFiction. FantasicFiction is a site where you can find books by author or by book titles and find out what series those books are in. The objectives for this tutorial are to locate a book in a series by a specific author. You will be able to find out what books are in a series, and you will be able to determine which books are upcoming in a series. The first step is to go to the website FantasicFiction.com, and you would do that by typing into your web browser FantasicFiction.com. Once you are in the site, you will see at the top a search bar. From the search bar, you can choose author or book. First, we're going to look for a book by its author. So in the search bar, type in the name of a particular author. In this case, we will look for James Patterson. In the top of the author's page, you can find their name, the date of their birth, and you would also find the date of their death if they are no longer living. You will also find a short description of the author. Scrolling down, you can see books that the author has written and that are coming out in publication in the future. These books will be highlighted with the type of format, paperback, hardback, Kindle, and also the month and the year that they are coming out, and it will list the series that they're in and the number of book in that series. Let's have a look at James Patterson's Red Alert. As you can see here, it'll be coming out in March of 2018 in hardback. The book is also listed as Book 5 under NYPD Red. If we scroll down the list a little bit further, you'll begin to see listed the books underneath their series. James Patterson's first series shows up as Alex Cross. It also has a list of the dates that those books were published. So you can see all of the series that James Patterson has written. The books are listed in order that they should be read. We'll keep going all the way down until we reach NYPD Red. As you can see listed here, Red Alert is listed as number 5 in the NYPD Red series. The listing also has the name of authors that are assisting with that series and other features such as an omnibus of the books. You can click on the title of a particular book and it will take you to a page showing you when the hardcover is coming out, when the paperback is coming out, that it's available from Amazon, and you can also pre-order it. And if you scroll down a little further, it will give you a synopsis of the book. Also lists the genre that this particular book fits into, and also similar books by other authors. Another neat feature of FantasicFiction is that you can look up the pen names of specific authors. For example, if I type in Nora Roberts, it leads me to a page on Nora Roberts, and then also lists all of her pen names: Jill March, J.D. Robb, Sarah Hardesty. And then you can see a list of her books below. Also, FantasicFiction lists the date that the author has passed. As you can see here, Barbara Michaels, a personal favorite of mine, passed away in 2013. So during this tutorial, you have learned how to locate a specific book in a series. You've been able to find out what books are included in a series, and you've determined which books are upcoming in a series. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you will use the other tutorials that the Guyman Public Library provides to help you search for the perfect book. Thanks.